According to Minister Maru, the government has come up with a policy to compel public companies or companies funded by public monies to list in the local exchange, whereby the idea is to support the government's reform to diversify PNG's economy beyond the extractive industries by providing potential investors an alternative financial instrument to mobilize private sector financing.
Please get the message out to all our international friends who have got listings in other stock markets where people buy and trade in their shares. They must now move to PNG, especially when they are making profits and operating out of PNG, to offer shares to our citizens by listing on the National Stock Exchange of Papua New Guinea. I'd like to give them a few months to do that while we are working on the law and policy to make it compulsory for them to list if they want to operate and do business in Papua New Guinea.
Minister Maru has called on 17 companies to come forward and immediately list on PNG exchange, companies that are listed overseas and not in PNG.
Investors who want to invest in the issuance of bonds can be Papua New Guinea companies or can even be international companies that may want to take up investment in these bonds that can be issued.
Minister Maru added that the country will not allow or let companies and international corporations to continue to make profits in PNG while listing in other countries.
Entities, corporate entities need to come into a market. And we thank the governments for the vision to grow up the market, open up the market, and aim to have market size grow. Our market size is around 150 to 100, offering around that size. As Minister said, market capitalization in the simplest term is the size of the issued shares, not the company's value. Example, BSP's total shares on the market is around almost $1 billion, something like that. That's the size in the others companies, the total shares on issue. That's the value of our market at the moment. So it's around 153 billion.
Minister Maru further added that other companies operating in PNG who are listed above should also consider listing in PNG to raise capital in PNG through the capital market rather than borrowing and to fund their capital expansion plans. Godwin Eki, National EMTV News.